Welcome to the brand new 2025 GMC Sierra EV Denali in Thunderstorm Grey. This fully electric truck is powered by an all-wheel drive system. Taking a look inside the Sierra EV, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows, and folding and adjustable mirrors, electronic parking brake, ride height, lane keep assist, hood and tailgate release controls, integrated trailer braking, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, full digital gauge cluster, heads-up display, steering column shifter, 16.8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, dual-zone climate control. Below that, we have a single cigarette lighter outlet and 2 USB-C charging ports, Bose audio all throughout the vehicle, and the rear-view mirror camera. Taking a look at the exterior of the Sierra EV, starting off with the 24-inch wheels paired up with Michelin Primacy LTX tires. Moving on, we have paint-matched door handles, Denali badges on the doors, gloss black mirror caps with LED turn signals. Around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped and has keyless entry. Side steps are installed. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Bed cover is also installed. At the back of the vehicle, we have clear taillights, side steps built into both sides of the bumper, towing packages installed. Sierra EV, blacked out GMC, and Denali badges can all be found here on the Multi-Pro tailgate. Heading back inside the Sierra EV, back seats here collapse in a 60-40 split, allowing access to the midgate. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Bose audio continues throughout the back of the vehicle, and here in the center console we have 2 cup holders, the heated seats controls, 2 USB-C charging ports, and a power outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2025 GMC Sierra EV Denali. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.